Good day, everyone. It's Marlena. Hopefully you're having a fantastic day. It is 75 degrees here. Guys, I want to tell you, many years ago, I had a wake-up call as I was crossing these railroad tracks on my way to Murfreesboro, Illinois. Here we go, right here. And I made myself a committed decision that absolutely changed my life. I'm not going to tell you the story because I live from a new place now, but I want to encourage you to take personal responsibility for wherever you are in life and make yourself a committed decision. And I came to the conclusion that the problem and the challenge and the place and space that I was in at that point in my life was not God's fault. It was my fault, and I took personal responsibility, and the rest, as they say, is history. Guys, God didn't ask us to figure everything out. God just asked us to trust God. And I promise you, if you'll just trust God, regardless of what's going on in your life, if you can just bring yourself to the place and trust God, know that everything's gonna be all right. Have yourself a fantastic day. I appreciate you. God's best.